You might expect that the longer you travel, the more things you accumulate to carry. But I've found the opposite to be true. No matter how long or short your journey is, there's some travel basics you will always require. Over the years, I've whittled down my collection to the essentials, to the products I usually use and genuinely require. Everyone is different in this sense, and I believe that what one person needs may be the nightmare of another. If you're only going for a day or two, these 10 travel basics will come in handy. Without further ado, here are the 10 essentials to never leave home without on a trip. Number 10. Travel bag. A suitcase is generally the most convenient alternative if you travel to your destination and want to stay in the same hotel or resort for the duration of your trip. A backpack is excellent if you plan to travel from place to place throughout your journey. Backpacks are usually the preferable option for extended travel. However, I'm tired of carrying things on my shoulder or across my back because of the regular and occasionally unexpected trips. So I finally decided to spend my travel savings on an actual rolly suitcase that carries all of my belongings. My items sit safely inside. The suitcase itself is very nice looking, especially in my travel photos. Number 9. Travel wallet. If you're thinking of a money belt, let me stop you right there. Money belts are annoyingly difficult to use and leave a bulge around your waist, which can potentially draw robbers from a mile away. Instead, I simply use a basic travel wallet, which allows me to keep track of my passport, vaccine card, any spare foreign currency, and other miscellaneous items. There's lots of good brands out there. You just have to make sure it has enough room for a passport, up to 12 cards, cash, coins, and other items. When I'm traveling, I keep the wallet in my day pack, and when I'm staying somewhere, I keep it in my hotel or lodging. And voila! I've never had any issues. Number 8. Jacket. Let's be honest, guys. When the weather isn't cooperating, it can be frustrating. But one thing is certain, bringing your own jacket is always a good idea. Jackets are arguably one of the most underappreciated items in our wardrobe, but since I'm heading to the airport 99% of the time, my favorite Uniqlo ultralight down jacket is the last thing I grab. It's a great lightweight jacket for travel in almost any climate, and it layers well if you need more warmth. This is one I would strongly suggest to you. Some jackets are designed to be fashionable, while others are designed to be protective, and this one is completely both. Jackets don't have to be rigid or boring. They now come in a variety of fabrics and designs, ranging from casual to contemporary, classy to extravagant. You get to pick the taste that best suits your personality and the occasion. Number 7. Headphones. When traveling, headphones are an absolute must. You'll need headphones if you're listening to music or watching videos to avoid disturbing others, while over-the-ear headphones are preferred for long flights or train rides. Earbuds or ear-in headphones are also popular due to their portability. Because they take up less space in my bag, I prefer the earbud style. Many people don't like them, but I do. Large, over-the-ear headphones are very popular. They are ideal for plane and train travel because most styles are noise-canceling. They block out background noise, allowing you to unwind and enjoy your journey in peace. After all, what good is a trip without good music? Looking out the car window or plane window with some background music always made me feel like I was in a movie. And I'm sure you have your own long road trip Spotify playlist, right? Number 6. Shoes. When traveling, you'll be walking a lot. Our feet literally take us to all of these beautiful places, so you'll need a good pair of shoes. Why not thank those super cool feet with a comfortable pair of shoes? Your feet will definitely thank you at the end of the day. When I travel, I walk at least 10 kilometers per day, so I need a good pair of shoes. Even though they aren't the most fashionable, I always wear hiking boots. Genuine leather shoes are also more durable, resulting in a better long-term investment and greater value for money for the consumer. It's also a chance to cut down on society's obsession with throwaway fashion. Blisters and calluses can be avoided by using walking shoes that are comfortable and fit your feet well. A decent walking shoe should be light and cushioned. Wearing attractive heels is less essential to me than keeping my feet comfy and blister-free. Number 5. External battery. A backup battery is a must-have on any trip. It can be used to charge any USB-enabled electronic gadget. It may be used to charge your phone, tablet, and certain cameras. An external battery is necessary for anyone who uses gadgets. When your phone is nearly gone and you need directions to your next location, it will come in handy. External batteries are small, lightweight, and capable of simultaneously charging many devices. They are also reasonably priced. Whenever I travel, I usually bring at least 2 external batteries. Number 4. Notebook. Perhaps you aren't a writer, but are on your way to writing the next Innocents Abroad. In any case, taking a journal or notepad is a terrific way to record your adventures for history and to help you remember them. A travel diary allows you to construct a list of places you'd like to visit and activities you'd like to participate in while on vacation. Travel journaling is a way to keep track of your thoughts and feelings while traveling. However, it improves self-awareness, comprehension, and enjoyment of travel. This saves time, and you'll get the most out of your trip this way. You can do some research to find out about unusual and hidden spots to visit. Number 3. Travel insurance. Trust me, travel insurance is a really good idea. Travel insurance should always be on your list of travel essentials because you never know what could happen. I understand that people like to save money when they travel, but skipping out on travel insurance to save money is a bad idea, especially in this pandemic. When you know you're covered by insurance, you can try anything you want without fear of losing your coverage. If you're traveling to a foreign country, I recommend getting travel insurance. If you're traveling to a new region or to an area where you don't know the language, travel insurance is extremely important because you may not have access to an interpreter if you require medical attention. Skydiving is terrific enough, but it's far scarier when you don't have health insurance. Number 2. Travel documents. Whether you're traveling within or outside of your native nation, you'll require proper identification. You can leave your voter registration card at home, but you should bring numerous versions, or at least copies, of your identity documents. Don't forget to pack duplicates of your itinerary in your carry-on luggage. We recommend carrying both digital and hard copy confirmation that you have previously paid for a flight or hotel to avoid any issues when you arrive when they query your reservation. The coronavirus pandemic has altered domestic and international travel, and proof of a negative COVID-19 test within a specified time frame is a typical criterion for admittance into a new destination. Make certain to take precautions when traveling. And finally, our number 1, the camera. If you don't have a camera, how are you meant to snap stunning images of your trip and make your friends jealous? It's unquestionably one of my personal travel must-haves. If you want to take high-quality images without carrying around a bulky DSLR camera, the Canon PowerShots SX730 is a wonderful choice. It's a simple camera to operate and doesn't take up a lot of room in your luggage. But these days, everyone travels with a phone, right? Most of those cameras are expensive, vulnerable, and difficult to use when compared to phones. Nothing surpasses a handy phone camera, and the iPhone is without a doubt the best on the market. This phone has it all: your camera, flashlight, wallet, and map. It's a combination of your music player and your television. It's how you keep in touch with old friends and make new ones. This is the one item I can't live without out of all the devices and accessories I own. As our video comes to a close, I'd like to remind you all that when traveling, especially internationally, every detail matters. For your trip to go perfectly, a lot of things need to fall into place. Something will probably definitely go wrong, leaving you with a story to tell and a lesson to learn for your future journey. But we've all been there, so don't worry. You'll be considering a lot of options while deciding what to bring and what to leave at home. So, I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. And if you did, make sure to leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you in the next one.